Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss about Mitsunobu reaction. First we will see what is a Mitsunobu reaction. Generally it is the conversion of an alcohol to any other compounds that can be esters, phenyl esters and etc. With the inversion of a configuration. The reagent used for this conversion are DEAD and triphenylphosphine. Instead of DEAD, DEAD can also be used. DEAD, which means diethyl azo dicarboxylate, and TIAD, which means diisopropyl azo dicarboxylate. In this reaction, if we see a chiral alcohol in which the OH lies above the plane, reacts with a nucleophile, and this nucleophile must be acidic because the reagent DEAD must be protonated to prevent a side reaction, and it is removed as a byproduct that we will see in the mechanism. So, after the attack of nucleophile with the chiral alcohol in the presence of DEAD and triphenylphosphine, we have nucleophile substituted compound with the inversion of configuration, as the nucleophile attacks the carbon in the backward direction due to the steric hindrance. So, this reaction is a type of SN2 where the backward attack takes place and the inversion of configuration occurs. Next, we will discuss about the mechanism. So, in the first step, the step is the adduct formation. Adduct formation. In this DEAD is treated with the triphenylphosphine through the Michael addition. The lone pair of electron approaches the nitrogen and the pi bond between nitrogen and nitrogen move towards the carbonyl carbon, and the oxygen acquires a negative charge and results the formation of betaine or ylide intermediate. In betaine, the phosphorus is given the positive charge because it donates a pair of electron, and oxygen is given as a negative charge because it receiving a pair of electron. In the next step is the attack of nucleophile, where the negative charge on oxygen move towards the carbon, and double bond between carbon and nitrogen moves and attacks the acidic proton, and nucleophile get a negative charge and leaves. Next step is an alcohol activation. When a chiral alcohol in which the oxygen has a lone pair of electron and it has more affinity towards the phosphorus and attacks the phosphorus, and the bond between the nitrogen and phosphorus move and double bond between carbon and oxygen move. As a result, oxygen acquires the negative charge. As the bond between nitrogen and phosphorus in 3 gets broken, the molecule gets cleaved as 5. So, in the next step, as we said, the DEAD gets protonated and formed as a byproduct. The resonance occurs and the negative charge on nitrogen in 5 gets attached to hydrogen, and the bond between hydrogen and oxygen is broken, and the compound gets cleaved as a diethyl 1,2 hydrazine dicarboxylate. As we know, the hydrazine is NH2 bar NH2 bond NH2, and here the pair of hydrogens are replaced by diethyl dicarboxylate group. So, in the next step, once the hydrogen bond is broken and the oxygen acquires a pair of electron, because of resonance, a double bond is formed between oxygen and phosphorus. The nucleophile attacks in the backward direction and gets attached with the inversion of configuration, and triphenyl phosphine oxide is removed as a byproduct. Then this is the overall mechanism of Mitsunobu reaction. Here I gave the overall mechanism of this one. Then next we will discuss some examples. See, wait. In the first example, the OH group present above the plane. So we need to convert it into below the plane. Here it is attached, it is replaced by the nucleophile. It is in below the plane. So here the inversion of configuration takes place. So in this hydrogen and this group is replaced by the benzoic acid in the presence of DAAD and triphenyl phosphine, and the solvent is tetrahydrofuran in 50 degrees Celsius. We will get this one. Then in the second example also, the nitrobenzoic acid is acting as a nucleophile. This OH group is in this OH group is in below the plane, so we need to convert it into above the plane. So here this OH group is replaced by this benzoic acid, and finally the inversion of configuration is taking place and this is substituted. So in this next example, see, sometimes you lost to find what are the reagent used in this reaction. So you are given with these two, and you want to find this. So here what is happening, this group is substituted by benzoic acid and this is inverted. So here we are using the benzoic acid and DEAD and triphenyl phosphine. So this is about the Mitsunobu reaction. Thank you.